Hello everyone and welcome to TechFix Flicks. In this tutorial we will create a Twitter account. We will begin by opening our default browser, in this instance Google Chrome, by clicking on its icon on the taskbar. In the window that opens, navigate to twitter.com. As you would expect, we then click on the large blue Sign Up button. In the next field, we enter our chosen name, noting a restriction to 50 characters. Although you are asked for your phone number, you can supply an email address instead using the small blue link below, which is exactly what we will do. We have now entered our name and email address and click Next to continue. On the next screen, we are presented with 3 personal choices designed to customize your experience. Once again, we are striking a balance between personalization of the user experience and the sacrifice of personal data. In this instance, we are happy for people to find us using our email address, as the TechFix Flicks account is widely quoted, although we aren't particularly keen on generating any additional emails from Twitter, nor do we wish to see personalised ads. Your personal responses may be different. Click Next once you've made your choices. All that remains is to click the large blue Sign Up button. As with every service joined, you will need to supply a password for your new account. Twitter requires the length to be a minimum of 6 characters, and the usual advice in relation to password strength applies. Whilst a suggested password is offered, we prefer to devise our own. Before we continue with the Twitter registration, note that our browser offers to save the password for future use via a small pop-up overlaid above the Twitter window. Saving this password will allow for easy login on the next occasion. Once the password is saved, we return to the Twitter registration process, where Twitter immediately endeavours to provide content which hopefully you will find interesting. Unsurprisingly, we volunteer our interest in computers and await Twitter's suggestions. Of course, you can skip this step using the link in the upper right. Given that this is social media, you are immediately offered the opportunity to link to your contacts, although note that this is achieved by uploading your contacts' details. We also skip this step by selecting Not Now. We are immediately presented with a list of suggested accounts to follow. Taking its lead from our interest in computers, we are presented with some of the industry's major forces. We have a completely free choice as to whom we follow, or we can again skip this step by exercising the option in the upper right corner. We choose to skip this step for the time being. Twitter will optionally provide notifications, and note that, should you choose to turn them on, your browser will independently seek consent to do this. Obviously, if it's your intention to turn on notifications, you should click Allow in both instances. We finally reach the Twitter homepage. At this stage, the content is generic, given that we have yet to provide any substantial indication as to our interests or contacts. We have also yet to set up a profile or send our first tweet. Before any of that, we need to confirm our account by replying to an email automatically sent during the registration process. We will therefore open a new tab in order to access our email account. From the new tab, we open the Gmail account created in the previous tutorial, where we find an email from Twitter awaiting us. Again, it is our advice under normal circumstances not to click links found in emails for security reasons. However, this email was expected, arose as a consequence of our actions during the registration process, was timed in accordance with our undertaking of the registration process, and has genuinely originated from the twitter.com account. We therefore evaluate this to be a genuine email from Twitter and are happy to follow the link. We are returned to Twitter, where we are advised our account has been confirmed. Now that you've signed up for Twitter, why not follow the official TechFix Flicks account, where we post details of newly launched tutorial videos. You'll find it by searching for @TechFixFlicks. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFix Flicks YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is, of course, entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. Until your next Tech Fix, goodbye.